Welcome to Papa John's world. Papa John's building a bundler. This bundler doesn't have any bearings. Okay, it's got a machined, really close tolerance, and it's built out of drill stem. I build everything out of drill stem, but it turns pretty nice. It's going to be electrically powered on a foot control switch. I have a little sewer snake that's old and wore out, and the snake's all messed up, but the motor works great. And it comes with a little pressure switch. Perfect. And it's reversible. I need to build a pulley for this and mount the motor on the bottom. The little basket for the wood will be adjustable. We can start with 16-inch pieces of firewood and a 12-inch film. We can go to 8-inch and a 4-inch film just by replacing a shorter all thread. All the parts should be interchangeable when it's done. And lo and behold, the drill collar on 1 7/8 fits perfectly inside the spool. So I just need to make a washer to go on the end of that, which that looks like it works pretty good. And I'm going to have my spring recessed so it's not sticking out. And so far, this is what I've had to buy. One compression spring to adjust down to get the roll, to adjust the tightness of the roll. Everything else I've had out in the steel yard or the pipe yard. Anyway, make sure you like and subscribe so you can see this in action. It'll just be a few more days and I'll get the video out. Thanks a lot for watching Papa John's World, and as always, be safe and build what you need. Don't buy it.